Hi everyone, I just want to quickly hop in this video to open the box that came in the other day. This is not to brag in any way or form, but I just want to share my experience, and I really want to send a huge shout out to my Purito team for sending this over. It was not expected because I didn't receive any email from them. I didn't know that they're going to send me a box. So yeah, please bear with me if I sound like this. I am actually sick, but again, I really want to do this in front of you guys. So let's go. Let's open it and let's see what's inside. These are all the items. Let's begin with this. So this is the Purito Seoul Hydro Wave Deep Sea Cream. This is a moisturizer. Next is the Wonder Relief Centella Daily Sun Lotion. Urban Defense has Centella Asiatica. This is soothing, has SPF 50 plus PA+++++. So this sunscreen has a watery consistency. It is very lightweight and has no white cast at all, as in zero. I've used this. So next is the Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen. This is for outdoor defense. It has 5 ceramides, has SPF 50 plus PA+++++. This one is watery and this one is a cream type. So next, I think they are just the same. Yeah. So these are the Wonder Relief Centella Serum Unscented. This has Centella Asiatica and soothing for your skin. This is actually good if you have redness on your face. If that has always been your problem, I recommend you try the Purito Seoul Wonder Relief Centella Serum Unscented because they are true to their claim. It can actually reduce the redness of your skin in just 10 seconds. Yes, 10 seconds. Believe me when I say that. I have a review on this on my TikTok and Instagram account. So if you want to check that out, please do so. So that's everything I got in the box from my Purito team. Again, thank you so much to my Purito team for sending these over. I didn't expect this, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your trust, and I really can't say anything more. And to everyone who's watching, I hope you guys enjoy this. So thank you for watching and for staying with me, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.